Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add image behind the text in Microsoft Word for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Word software. And now let me add some text here firstly. And now I want the image to be placed behind this text. So for this what you need to do is just click on this insert option. Now click on this picture option. Now select this device and select the image that you want to add. Click on insert. Now on the above you can see here wrap text option. Just click on it. Now here you will see behind the text. So you can see here. Just click on it. So now you can see the image has been added behind the text. So you can resize it depending upon your needs. And now you can increase or decrease the transparency also. For this just click on this transparency option. And now select your respective transparency option, how much transparent level you want. So I'll just set it to 80%. So once you are done, you can click on this file option and you can click on this save to save this file on your respective computer. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add image behind the text in Microsoft Word for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.